Imperative sentences are a fascinating part of our language, and they serve a unique purpose. These sentences give commands, make requests, or offer invitations. They're direct and to the point, which is what makes them so powerful. Let's dive into the rules. First, an imperative sentence typically starts with the base form of a verb. For example, close the door. Here, close is the verb, and it's telling someone exactly what to do. Notice there's no subject explicitly stated. The subject is implied to be you. So, when you say sit down, you're essentially saying you sit down. This makes imperative sentences quite efficient. Now, let's talk about how to use them effectively. Imperative sentences can be polite or firm, depending on your tone and context. For instance, if you're in a classroom, you might say, please hand in your assignments. The word please softens the command, making it more of a request. In contrast, if you're in a situation that requires urgency, like during a fire drill, you might say, evacuate the building. Here, the tone is direct and urgent, reflecting the seriousness of the situation. Another interesting aspect is the use of negative imperatives. These sentences tell someone not to do something. For example, don't touch that. This is a clear and straightforward way to communicate a prohibition. It's important to be careful with negative imperatives, though, as they can sometimes come off as harsh. Instead of saying, don't be late, you might say, please arrive on time. This keeps the tone friendly while still conveying the message. Now, let's explore some examples in different contexts. In a cooking scenario, you might hear, chop the onions finely. This is a clear instruction that guides someone on how to prepare a dish. In a workplace setting, a manager might say, submit your reports by Friday. This sets a clear expectation and deadline. Imperative sentences also play a significant role in giving directions. If you're helping someone find their way, you might say, turn left at the traffic light, then go straight. This is a straightforward way to guide someone without any ambiguity. In writing, imperative sentences can be particularly effective in persuasive contexts. For instance, in advertising, you might see phrases like, join us today, or try our new product. These sentences are designed to prompt action and engage the audience directly. It's also worth noting that imperative sentences can be used in a more creative way. In literature, authors might use them to create a sense of urgency or to draw readers into the action. For example, in a thrilling scene, a character might shout, run. This not only conveys a command, but also heightens the tension of the moment. In summary, imperative sentences are essential tools in communication. They allow us to give commands, make requests, and guide others effectively. Whether you're in a casual conversation, a professional setting, or even crafting a story, understanding how to use imperative sentences can enhance your communication skills. So next time you need to direct someone or make a request, remember the power of the imperative.